sagot sa ating mga pangarap. Dito na tayo sama-sama sa Talents Academy. Mga talento ipakita, sa empleyado sama-sama sa Talents Academy. Pangarap mo'y maaabot na, dream, shine, and be a star. Iisa ang ating pangarap at layunin, lahat ay gagawin upang ito'y makamit din. Eto na ang sagot sa ating mga pangarap. Dito na tayo sama-sama sa Talents Academy. Mga talento ipakita, sa empleyado sama-sama sa Talents Academy. Pangarap mo'y maaabot na, dream, shine, and be a star. Pangarap at layunin, lahat ay gagawin upang ito'y makamit din. Dream, shine, and be a star. Free ride. I only ask you to show me a real good time. I never asked for the rainfall. At least I showed up, you showed me nothing at all. It's coming down on me, water like misery. It's coming down on me, I'm ready, rain on me. I'd rather be dry, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me, rain, rain. I'd rather be dry, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me. Rain, 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 rain on me. Rain, rain, oh yeah. Baby, rain, rain, rain on me. Living in a world where no one's innocent. Oh, but at least we try. Gonna leave my truth, not keep it bottled in, so I don't lose my mind. Baby girl, I can feel it on my skin. It's coming down on me. Teardrops on my face, water like misery. Let it wash away my pain. It's coming down on me. Let it wash away. I'd rather be dry, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me, rain, rain. I'd rather be dry, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, 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 rain on me. I hear the thunder coming down, won't you rain on me? On me.
Patuloy ang DOST Pag-asa sa pagpapabuti ng tropical cyclone services nito sa ating mga kababayan. Mula sa mga naging karanasan sa mga nakalipas na bagyo, mga pag-aaral na ginawa at mga feedback mula sa stakeholders at end users, narito ang mga pangunahing pagbabago na ipatutupad sa ating tropical cyclone warning system simula ngayong Marso. Una, ang pagbabago sa intensity threshold na batayan sa pagkaklasipika ng mga bagyo bilang super typhoon. Noong 2015, isinama ng Pag-asa ang super typhoon sa mga kategorya ng bagyo bilang tugon sa panawagan ng publiko matapos ang pananalasa ni Super Typhoon Yolanda noong Nobyembre 2013. Binibigay ang kategoryang ito sa anumang bagyo na may lakas ng hangin malapit sa gitna na aabot sa higit na 220 km per hour. Matapos ang 6 na taong paggamit ng nasabing kategorya at batay sa pamantayan na ginagamit ng ibang mga karatig bansa, simula ngayong Marso, atin nang gagamitin ang bagong pamantayan ng Super Typhoon. Ang mga bagyo na may lakas ng hangin malapit sa gitna na aabot sa 185 km per hour o higit pa ay tatawagin ng Super Typhoon. Sa pagbabagong ito, ang lakas ng hangin na kaakibat ng typhoon category ay mula 118 kilometers per hour hanggang 184 kilometers per hour.
Hi! Welcome to Talents Academy. We're so excited to have you with us today. I'm Anika. I'm Zane. And this is our awesome crew. Adam, Isabel, Kara, Madison, and of course, Ate Nicole. As you know, the rainy season is just around the corner. That's right, Adam. And with the rainy season, there are some important things we all need to know and do. First, let's talk about staying dry. When it's raining, make sure to wear your raincoat, use your umbrella, and don't forget your rain boots. And remember, paddles might look fun to jump in, but they can be slippery. It's best to avoid them to stay safe.
Speaking of safety, it's important to stay indoors when there's thunders and lightnings. Find a cozy spot to read a book or play games instead.
And if you're at home, make sure to keep your windows and doors closed to keep the rain out. Don't forget to have a flashlight and some extra batteries handy in case the power goes out.
It's also a great time to help out at home. You can help your parents by checking that the roof and gutters are clean of leaves and debris. And while we're indoors, it's the perfect time to learn something new. Or get creative with arts and crafts. Or you can watch our show and learn lots of fun things with us. So remember, stay dry, stay safe, and make them the most of the rainy season.
I didn't ask for a free ride. I only asked you to show me a real good time. I never asked for the rainfall. At least I showed up. You showed me nothing at all. It's coming down on me. Water like misery. It's coming down on me. I'm ready, rain on me. I'd rather be dry, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me. Rain, rain. I'd rather be dry, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain.
Pangalawa, kaakibat ng pagbabago sa threshold ng super typhoon, magkakaroon ng pagbabago sa saklaw ng hangin sa bawat wind signal level na ginagamit ng Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal o TCWS system. Sa pagbabagong ito, nakabatay na ang TCWS system sa pandaigdigang Beaufort scale na ginagamit ng World Meteorological Organization. Narito ang mga pangunahing detalye ng bawat wind signal. Kapag unang itinaas ang wind signal number 1 sa isang lugar, sa loob ng 36 na oras ay magsisimulang maranasan ang strong winds na may lakas ng hangin na mula 39 hanggang 61 km per hour. Kapag itinaas na ang wind signal number 2, sa loob ng 24 na oras ay magsisimulang maranasan ang gale force winds na may lakas ng hangin na mula 62 hanggang 88 km per hour. Kapag itinaas na ang wind signal number 3, sa loob ng 18 oras ay magsisimulang maranasan ang storm force winds na may lakas ng hangin na mula 89 hanggang 117 km per hour. Kapag itinaas na ang wind signal number 4, sa loob ng 12 oras ay magsisimulang maranasan ang typhoon force winds na mula 118 km per hour hanggang 184 km per hour. Kapag itinaas na ang wind signal number 5, sa loob ng 12 oras ay magsisimulang maranasan ang typhoon force winds na may lakas na hangin na 185 km per hour o higit pa.
Again, friends, we have even more friends with us now. Let's welcome PJ, Fia, Kyrie, Kay, Tiffany, Vitana, Kina, Sius, and Zion. Kisses, AJ, Aliza, Bella, Sigard, Javen, Kiara, Enosh, Jacob, Kyle, Ihara, and Aljur.
We've been talking about the rainy season. And now, let's hear what everyone is looking forward to and how they plan to enjoy the cold weather.
Hi everyone! I'm excited for the rainy season because I love the sound of rain. It is so relaxing. I can't wait to cuddle up with a good book.
I'm looking forward to building blanket forts with my siblings. And we can make a cozy hideout and play games inside.
I love hot chocolate. During the rainy season, I get to enjoy a warm cup of cocoa with marshmallows. It's the best!
The rain makes everything look so green and fresh. I'm excited to take nature walks with my family and enjoy the beautiful scenery.
I can't wait to do some indoor crafts. Making day art is so much fun, especially when you can hear the rain tapping on the window.
The heat causes the water to evaporate, turning into water vapor that rises into the air. I'm excited to try out new science experiments at home.
I love board games, and rainy days are the best time to play them with my family. We have so much fun together. I'm looking forward to wearing my favorite sweaters and staying warm. The rainy season is a great time to write stories. I'm excited to let my imagination run wild and create new adventures on paper.
I'm looking forward to play video games with my friends. We can have so much fun online, even when it's wet and cold outside.
I can't wait to play with my pets indoors. They love the extra attention and cuddles during the rainy season. I look forward to spending time with my family. The rainy season is great.
Let's practice music.
I love playing my guitar and learning new songs. I'm so excited, so fun and great. I love watching the rain on my window.
It's so peaceful and it makes me feel cozy inside.
I didn't ask for a free ride. I only asked you to show me a real good time. I never asked for the rainfall. At least I showed up. You showed me nothing at all. It's coming down on me. Water like misery.
Pangatlo sa mga pagbabagong ipatutupad ng pag-asa ay ang pag-update ng Tropical Cyclone Forecast Chart. Isa sa pangunahing pagbabago sa format ay ang pagdadagdag ng 12-hour, 36-hour at 60-hour forecast positions and intensities sa first 3-day segment ng ating track and intensity forecast. Kasama rin sa bagong format ang tropical cyclone wind areas na kulay orange at maroon na nagpapakita ng mga lugar na sakop ng bagyo. Ang mga lugar na nasa loob ng area na kulay orange ay kasalukuyang nakararanas ng hangin na katumbas ng wind signal numbers 1 o 2, habang ang mga nasa loob naman ng area na maroon ay nakararanas ng mas mapaminsalang hangin katumbas ng wind signal numbers 3 pataas. Kasama sa bagong forecast chart ang mga bagong icons na gamit upang maipakita ang kategorya ng bagyo. Layunin nito na mas maiwasan ang misidentification ng kategorya ng bagyo sa forecast chart. Isa sa mga pagbabagong kasama sa bagong format ang laki ng nasasakop ng probability cone. Noon, ang laki ng cone na ito ay naglalaro mula 100 km radius mula sa 24-hour forecast position at 500 km mula sa 120-hour forecast position. Ngayon ay taon-taon itong magbabago batay sa naging track forecast performance ng pag-asa sa nakalipas na 5 taon.
So many wonderful things to look forward to. The rainy season can be so much fun.
Thanks for sharing, everyone. Remember, there are many ways to stay warm, safe, and happy during the rainy season. We hope you learned a lot about how to stay safe and have fun during the rainy season. Remember to wear your raincoat, use an umbrella, and stay dry. And don't forget, staying indoors can just be as fun with books, games, and crafts.
The rainy season is a great time to learn new things and enjoy cozy moments with your family.
We're excited to see how you all make the most of this time.
Whether it's baking cookies, building blanket forts, or watching movies, there's so much fun to be had.
So stay safe, stay warm, and enjoy every rainy day.
We'll see you next time on Talents Academy. Bye everyone!
Stay safe and have fun! Stay safe and have fun! Stay safe and have fun!
Ang panghuli sa mga pagbabagong ipatutupad ay ang lawak ng mga tropical cyclone extended forecast areas. Ang pinakahilagang boundary ng ating tropical cyclone information at tropical cyclone advisory domains ay nasa 27.0 degrees north na. Para sa pangkalahatang kaalaman hinggil sa mga pagbabagong ito, bisitahin ang official website ng Pag-asa, bagong.pagasa.dost.gov.ph. Maraming salamat at magandang araw sa lahat.